Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vyom.
Ma'am, I was not able to attend previous two classes because, ma'am, my device.
Because what?
Ma'am, my device was showing incorrect password.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. See, in such
Good morning.
cases, you can always refresh
Good
your.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am,
Bache.
otherwise I would have attended
Good morning,
the
ma'am.
class.
This is what I was wondering. Good morning, Bache.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ahana. How is Ahana doing? Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Shivansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mika.
Ma'am, what were you saying?
I said in such cases, you can always refresh your Zoom, no?
Ma'am, I tried 2-3 times.
Sure, but students were there in the class.
Ma'am, sometimes, ma'am, a glitch occurs, ma'am. Ma'am, and the same day I was not able to
Morning.
join complaints sir class. Ma'am, in that also passcode is needed.
Achha. Good morning, Saksham beta.
Ma'am, today we will do review.
Nay, you want me to do revision today?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We have 4 classes, no?
Ma'am,
Yes.
what did you do previous classes, ma'am? Previous one
The
or two
geography
classes?
chapter we have completed.
Okay, ma'am.
And some question answers are left.
Question answers are left. So today we'll do question answers, right?
Ma'am, we have done.
Question answers we
No, ma'am,
have.
all completed.
We have completed.
Yes, ma'am, we have completed. Yes,
Huh?
ma'am, we have completed.
So let us do the flow chart for this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Arshit. Keep your
Ma'am, is there any diagram that we need to make for this chapter?
no, there is no diagram. Previously, diagram was there, but last 2 years that has been removed. Deleted from your syllabus.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You just have the map that you have to do. I think map we already discussed in one of the classes, right?
Yes, ma'am, we discussed it.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vyom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Beta, we will do flow charts.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm of chapter number 3, geography.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, have you listened about a new teaching app, ma'am? Teachment.
What, Harshit?
Ma'am, a new teaching app, ma'am, like Zoom, ma'am. Ma'am, Teachment.
No, I am not clear. What you are saying, I am not getting it, beta.
Ma'am, have you listened the name of our app, ma'am, in which, ma'am, like we are studying in Zoom, ma'am, ma'am, teachers can teach us in that app, ma'am, ma'am, the name of the app is, ma'am, Teachment.
I think you're talking about Microsoft Team.
No, ma'am, Teachment.
Acha, teach, men. Nahi, beta. I have not heard.
Ma'am, can we not have classes on Microsoft Teams?
Beta, don't know, can't say.
Ma'am, is there something like Microsoft Teams?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, Parush.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, is it like Zoom only?
Microsoft Team. Yes, it
Ma'am,
is.
Microsoft Teams is similar to Google Meet. Yes, ma'am, it works on a browser.
Huh? It is?
Ma'am, it uses a browser.
Huh.
Ma'am, like Google Meet.
Yes, I am sharing the screen with you all. हाँ जी.
Ma'am, are you connected with two devices?
Yes, beta, I am sharing the screen. Just a second. Huh? Can you
Okay.
see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Right. Blank screen is there now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Perfect.
ma'am.
Okay. Write today's date.
Ma'am, we are doing revision.
Yes. Is the screen clear? No. Let me take a different color.
Ma'am, geography first chapter revision.
No, no.
White color.
White color.
White footbook.
Will do. No.
Ma'am, can you please make the background white, ma'am?
Wait, beta, wait.
Ma'am, flow chart.
Yes, I am giving you flowchart, beta. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Written
Yes,
part
ma'am.
is visible now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chapter 3, drainage. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today's date.
Ma'am, 12th July.
Ma'am,
Yes.
12th July.
Right? Flowchart 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First flowchart is river system, right? Heading is river system. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have
Yes,
two
ma'am.
types of river systems. Himalayan river system, and the other one is
Peninsular river system.
huh?
Peninsular river system.
Yes. Is the screen clear if I use different color?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Peninsular river system, right? Now we'll be writing the features of what are the features of Himalayan river system and what are the features of Peninsular river system, right? Shall I scroll?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. The first is that the Himalayan river system, the Himalayan rivers that we have, they originate from Himalayas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Then they have got large basins, when you are over with the writing part, let me know so that I can scroll up. Shall I scroll?
Yes,
No, ma'am,
ma'am.
please wait.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, waiting.
Ma'am, after perennial rivers, there are more points.
Yes, there are three more points. No, two more points.
Ma'am, do we have to cut that point you wrote young in age?
Yes, you cut and write it after perennial rivers.
Ma'am, where?
Divyansh is trying to enter.
Who is trying to enter?
Divyansh.
Ma'am,
प्रियांशी
what is catchment area?
बेटा एक मिनट भी बता रहे हैं अच्छा बहुत सारे लोग हैं एडमिट ऑल कर लिया yes can you see
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
catchment area?
बेटा लार्ज बेसिन कैचमेंट एरिया जहां जहां से ये होके निकलती है ठीक है
Ma'am, please
Yes,
can you scroll up?
scroll up or down up
Ma'am, down.
here this one
I'm
बेटा this
done.
one हाँ
Ma'am, done. I just wanted to see a word and it's done.
Ma'am, please scroll.
हाँ जी. Done. After perennial rivers, you will write they are young in age. Then you will write they have high erosion capacity. Have high erosion capacity. And the last point is last catchment area. Have long courses from their source to mouth. Have long the source to its mouth. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, this is the last
Yes,
point.
ma'am.
No. The last point is main Himalayan rivers are Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All have written?
No, ma'am,
Yes,
writing the
ma'am.
last.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait.
Waiting, waiting.
I'm done. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Okay.
Ma'am, please show the last point.
Last point I'm showing.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
You want to go up, no? You want to see the initial points?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. These
Ma'am,
ones,
what is the point after young in age?
where
Ma'am, after young in age. Ma'am, after this.
they have high erosion capacity. We have read, no, that the maximum of the erosional work is done in the upper course of the Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. They are not involved in erosional activities at all because they don't have high courses. No, they don't have long courses. Right?
Ma'am, please show the last point again, ma'am. I have to write only one word.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Bache done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now coming to the perennial rivers. So what I am doing is I am not erasing it. I hope it is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So peninsular river system originates. This S is not clear, no?
Ma'am, you can write on a new file, ma'am. That
Huh?
will be, ma'am, more clear. Ma'am, you can write on a new file, ma'am, because it will create a mess, ma'am.
No, no, it will not. See, different lines are there. You can see this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Originates from the peninsular plateau. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Right now?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Then the second point was it has got large. Now you will write it has a smaller basin and catchment area. Smaller basin and catchment area. Then the third point was they are seasonal rivers. Seasonal rivers. I hope it is clear, beta.
yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I scroll
Ma'am,
up?
can you please scroll up?
Yes, yes. This way
Ma'am,
or
done.
Ma'am, that way.
the other way, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, after seasonal rivers, the next point that comes is it is old in age. See, we all know that Himalayas are newly formed structures. That is why the rivers that originate from the Himalayas are are of young age. And Peninsular Plateau, because it is age-old structure, that is why the rivers that originate from here, from the plateau region, they are called as old in age. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Please,
ma'am.
can you scroll up?
This way?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Then the next point is they have shorter and shallower courses.
Ma'am, shallow erosion courses.
shallower मतलब ज्यादा गहरे नहीं होते.
Okay, ma'am.
They are not very deep.
Ma'am, done.
Then they not perform any erosional activity. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, we need to specify that the erosional activity is done only in the upper course. So we will write that they do not perform any erosional activity in its upper course. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
have
ma'am.
written?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am.
Okay. And the last point for this is the main peninsular rivers are. Who will tell me the names of the main peninsular rivers?
Ma'am, Narmada, Godavari, Mahanadi, Kaveri.
Mahanadi,
Narmada,
Kaveri, Krishna,
Godavari,
Godavari.
Kaveri,
Okay.
Krishna, Godavari.
Narmada, Tapi, then Krishna, Kaveri,
Godavari.
Godavari, Mahanadi. Right?
Ma'am, can you please show me the second last point?
I'm showing it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please show the last point.
Okay. Can I scroll now up? Down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
Fine. Let us come to the next flow chart. All have done, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, complete.
writing the last.
Okay.
Ma'am, written.
Good. Flow chart second, right? We'll write about the.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
before you make the second one, ma'am, can you please show the first one from the starting, ma'am? I have to check all the points.
Okay, okay, okay. So I am doing it for everyone.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Okay. I am doing it slowly, slowly.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Done? Charlotte. Next, we'll write about the Himalayan river system, right? Now, Himalayan river system comprises of how many rivers?
3.
3.
3 rivers, right?
3 rivers.
Namely,
Ganga, Indus, and Brahmaputra.
Indus, Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra, right? The Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra. Can I do it this way? First, I will write about Indus, then Ganga, then Brahmaputra, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Ma'am, can you share this file on the WhatsApp group?
You have to tell me how do I share it. ठीक है. Now, are you not able to write?
Ma'am, we are able to write.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
हाँ, ठीक है, then it is fine. If I make the background color,
Ma'am, please make it, ma'am, white, ma'am.
this way it is okay, no?
Yes, ma'am. It is okay.
Ma'am, please make it, ma'am, white, ma'am.
White I have made it. Now it is fine.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's fine.
Okay. It is not now putting more pressure on your eyes, I believe, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please scroll up a bit, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now you can do.
Okay. The length of river Indus is 2900 kilometers. Okay. Length. ये क्या हुआ? ये तो और अच्छा लग रहा है ऐसे लिखना,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? वही कहाँ गया, कहाँ गया? This is good. I don't know how it has come. But I feel it is better than the previous one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Origin,
Yes, ma'am.
its origin is Mansarovar Lake. right?
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then tributaries.
I'm Harshit is saying that he is trying to enter the class.
He is trying to come in.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. अभी स्क्रीन शेयरिंग में यही तो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है. चलो, I have taken him in. Back to the screen. No. Yes. Why it is going there? I want to write it the other side. थोड़ा दूर हो गया ये तो इस पेज से. बेटा ठीक है.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I write the names of the tributaries now?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, I am writing it.
Ma'am, this tributaries is the third point.
Yes. Satluj. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, spelling of Ravi is incorrect.
अरे बी
And
अरे
ma'am, Jhelum also.
रुको, अब झेलम वो गलत हो गया. रुको 1 मिनट कर रहे हैं. रावी इट इज जे. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए इतना हो गया.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, please.
हाँ.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, is this the next point?
Yes, this is the next point. River Indus. Drains into which river? Beta, River Indus drains into which sea?